Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore a super useful Notion template built for team collaboration and communication. If your team struggling with organizing tasks, tracking goals or effective communication, then this template is designed to solve all of that. Let's jump in and right in. Here in this template, it is structured into three main columns: the dashboard column, productivity column, VM, and resource and special view column. First up, there is the dashboard column. This is where everything you get an overview of most important thing happening in your team. And there is in first inside the dashboard column there is a team dashboard page. This is the main hub for your team. You will see quick overview of the active projects, project hub, project and task manager, goals, meeting view, and rewards and quick links. It is an all-in-one place for easy access, which is organized into a easy to go through format so that you can just need to click this to add or see high priority projects and complete a project, etc. After that, there is my day page. This page is is personalized view of everything you need to focus on today. Your task, meetings, upcoming task, meetings, notes, rewards for your day, and it help you stay organized on top of everything. After that, if you have the progress page, yeah, progress page. Let's add that in here. Progress page. This is the progress page where everything is arranged in a GTD method, get things done method, like intakes, do next, and dependency task next month, the task that is next month, and overdue task. You can section you have sections like in yes, you can say intakes and after that there is also a note intake, intake notebook and note project intake. Say a complete note section here too for in a GT get things done format. After that we have the team calendar view, calendar page, sorry. Here you can see all the important dates, deadlines, upcoming scheduled meetings, rewards, timelines, and team members. Yeah, you can see if you are an office fan, you can really laugh right now, laughing right now. Like this is Jim Harper page, and this is Duet and Pam. Sure, I was planning to add all three members, but I just stopped it here. Nice, huh? Okay. After that, let's go to the productivity view, and inside the productivity view column, there is task manager. Here's where you track tasks. You can assign tasks to your team members, mark them complete, and keep an eye on your progress. And it's a simply put as an effective system for breaking down your task and related see the project related task that is connected to your project. That's the thing. Okay, like this you can add here. I can show you example if you want. The project it won't show it here until you add certain project, like okay, let's wait or let's add something like example. Okay, tada, yeah, it shows up right now. See, it's popped up like tada. We show you the task that is related to a project. After that, we have the Project Hub. This is the page you will see all your tasks, teams, ongoing projects. It's organized to track your status, each status of each project and linked related tasks, can manage a goal related view and so on. And after that page, we have the brainstorming space, which is this right here. This page is for your team's idea and discussion. Add your thoughts here and categorize them and use them to make your project better. And after that, we have the archived page. Once project or task or any page from anywhere in this template is completed or achieved or completed, they can move. You can simply move them to the archived sections. Like you can see there is a button in every checkbox in every page. Just have to tap it and it will move here. And this keep your workspace clean, and but you can always come back and reference your old work. Okay, after that we have final section, final column, which is resource and special view. First of all, first there is a knowledge base page. This is the central space. Okay, wait for the loading. Okay, okay. This is the central page for storing important documents, guides, FAQ, business admins, and user management, and anything or anything that you need your new recruits or new or hire you want to see or learn from. You can add all here. After that, you have the team manager page. This is all the details of all the members, their roles, category of is the categories, like contact infos and so on. Just open to it. Can add his roles here, like his role and phone number, email ID, profile pic, assign task, rewards, and so on. Okay, after that, you have the resource library section, page. Use this page to collect, organize external resources, templates, or tools that can help the work better. Okay. After that, there is a reward system. Reward page is where the team leaders can manage and track and the rewards. Can add rewards type distributions, like simply open this, show you rewards types, date, criteria, projects, and taken or not, given or not, and so on. Go right in, and there is a, yeah, yes, there's also a toggle for how to use this, and that's it. This template designed to help your team work smarter, not harder, by keeping everything organized and accessible. Have add link to the template in the description below, so you sure to check it out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video. Thank you.